Hey guys, today I would like to talk about the day-to-day tools I'm using for the taking the notes. Now, in this, like day-to-day life, your brain is not remember each and everything. So you have to take a notes from each and everything. Like physically, I take a sticky notes, but like in mobile phone, like what I'm using in my day-to-day life, like what I'm learning. And so I have this, I using this, good productivity tool which I would like to show you, and I also encourage you also use that thing. So let me just share my screen and take you to the whole uh, uh, thing. So first one is the just a second. Okay. So first one is the Obsidian. Now this is a great tool for who want to, uh, capture each and everything. So this is you can write or you can say your second brain because our mind is, capture the memory in the neural network. So I'll show you how this option. So the thing is you have to download from here and it's very easy. You can install your PC. So I install in my PC. Now this is the interface, and you can see the left side there is a dashboard. This is my section which is AWS. There's data engineering which I am learning, and then each is the partition, like suppose one part was Python, right? Python question, SQL, all the I can do that, and this is the base thing of this one. So here suppose I am learning AWS. So what is AWS is connected to, like all the services which is connected to it will going in the neural network. It is connected to all the things. So suppose let's just see, take SQL, this one, right? So this one SQL is connected to the SQL tapes, SQL command, all the things, and you can go and then just do like SQL, and it's very quick and fast, like one of the best tool I using nowadays. And then you can see that this you can write a code from there, and this cool technique, like a lot of shortcut from there. Graph view, this is basically graph view, you can see that. And when your note is increased, like this graph is also increased. So this is you can track. This is kind of neural network which is happening, our mind. So you can remember the things what you are taken in the past, and that is the base thing. And also I show you this also new feature is came this canvas. Now you can do like lot of things, like I started in March, April, what is my timeline, what can I do. And you can connect the link notes also. So this is the base things in right now. And there is also one tools is also called Notion. So I'll get back to that. But first is Obsidian. Nowadays I'm using so much. Here the best thing is the this one is it's called the daily notes. So today is the 17th 4th 17th April 24. So you can take note like today today I have to practice coding question, or like I can take anything, like this 3 means the if you write Python, then that means it will detect you know uh, the coding language also. So I mean, how cool is this? So this is the best tool you can leverage that your notes very systematically on manage, like very good management. And yeah, so every day you can check your progress, or every day you can do the things, and you can see the graphs also. So this is the first tools I am using day to day regularly, because it is my note is very well organized and very structured manner. So couple of days, weeks, I just got to know about this tool. So that's why my canvas, these neurons are very low. Otherwise, if I see the people who are using from last 2 years, they have so much this neural network. The second one I want to talk about you guys is this is Notion. So this is a Notion cloud note taking apps. You can take anything. So here I do the 100 days challenge, like uh, I mean, practice the code, and there are different type of Notion templates. You can take a notes. Here I have the blog side which I create with the YouTube. So here they have very good templates of the pipeline, to-do list, which one is the in pipeline, which one is the done. So I mean it's like the Jira tool, agile tool you are using. So I mean it's great, even my goal is 24, how goal prioritize, and my habit tracker. I mean it's great. They have so much template, and Notion is favorite. But nowadays Obsidian is taking more you know the like very famous in the markets, to taking the encounter of the Notion. So my monthly major and incident, like I also note down what happened in the expense and everything. Everything. So see, it's like irritating. Like whatever I gonna I do take a notes of everything, like 2022, uh, or my monthly goal and my October updates. Every month I do updates, taking the notes. And also here you can also host your simple website. Here I host my website like as a workspace. This is a dating my site dating page which so I mean, yeah. So any people can use this link and check this one. So this is my Instagram. So I mean, Notion is so good. Like I Notion because of it's a cloud. You can use anywhere from any mobile or any laptop. So I must recommend you guys go for Notion first or Obsidian. Obsidian is a very like pro level. I mean, if you know the Notion, then you should go for the Obsidian. But and third one is very handy. Like when I am very rush and very fast, and I just want to take a notes, so I use a Google Notes, Google Keep, and there you can see, like, so the good thing is Google is keep store in the your Google cloud, so you can go anywhere and you can see how cool color is there, and everything itinerary, like I write everything whatever I want to quick things. So I mean, it's a good. I can store my credential and everything in this one. So this is my top three productivity tool, because once you want to retrospect or in like what happened with the 6 month and how is your progress and what you achieve in your 6 month or quarterly goal. So that is good for you, because and I must encourage you because now what happened, like once you do working life, suppose I'm in IT, so I don't know what happened after a 6 months. So I can go retrospect what I learned, what is my mistake, and what is my priority goals, what tools I using, what tools I have to learn. So that is also kind of revision for for good to learning. So I definitely recommend you guys just use these tools and implement in your life. Their life will be very easy, very shorted with your note takings, because note takings like we used to do in schools and the colleges, but we are not taking after the like this job thing. So even I physically, I have good thing, like whenever I'm the writing person, so I write a lot of thing in sticky notes, like whatever the thoughts were coming, so stick into my wall where I'm sleeping. So that is also you should try the thing. So Yeah, I mean that's it for today. Productivity tools you should use. And next time I'm coming with the good thing which is very famous. So just stay tuned for the next video. And thank you so much. Have a good day.